Lake Crowley, named after Father Crowley, who is a very famous Catholic priest in the Owens Valley area. Now this Lake Crowley was previously owned by LA Mayor Fred Eaton back in 1905, who encouraged and led the development of the LA Aqueduct, which brought water from the High Sierra down to Los Angeles. And so this lake eventually was built after the Watterson's Inyo County Bank went belly up, and Eaton's holdings were part of the liquidation of that bank in 1928. After that bank was dissolved, up for auction, all of its assets, Los Angeles wound up buying this property for a pittance. The lake, which is actually the headwater reservoir for the LA Aqueduct, became the eventual lake. And this is all explained in an earlier video on the Owens Valley Water Wars. But this is a beautiful setting. They have barbecue here on the weekends. Great fishing. Every year, opening trout fishing is known for this is known for that, and that lake is full of boats. Anyway, beautiful day, and we will move on. I love these little grass settings, got the sprinklers going. So nice, peaceful. And the water level is up due to a court-mandated requirement that LA don't drain this area of all of its water. Okay, we'll head on.